Kia ora. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you put under construction message on your web page. For example, now this is my hosting account. I purchased this from HostPapa, and just think about like, okay, this is my URL. So now when I try to visit this one, I see this message, but I want to put nice under construction message. For this purpose, just log into your hosting account, then go to my account. So here you can find my cPanel, my control panel icon option, menu option. Then here go to file manager. Then you will see this folder layout. Here click on this, double click on this public HTML folder. Now when you open your domain name on a browser, you can retrieve this file. By default file that you retrieve, so when you type the URL, that is index.html file. Because we don't have index.html file here, so we can't see it here. Okay, now we will create this index.html file, and also I need to have image for this purpose. First, I am going to upload image, under construction image. So just click on upload. So here you can select image. So this is my image which is stored in my Mac. Just select that one. Okay, that is uploaded. Now if you reload your file, you will see this one, but I want to change the name. For example, under construction. Now here create new file, that is index.html. that is your default file. Click on the index.html file and click on edit. Now we are going to edit this file. Okay, now we need to write HTML tags. So in this HTML web page script, start with this tag HTML. Inside that we have head tag and also then body tag. Like this. Inside body tag, to insert image, I should type like this tag img. Okay, so then we can have this Sarsi. So then here you can type your image name. Under construction .png. So then, because this is the clause of this one, you need to have backslash here. Okay, now yeah, that is the basically it. We save this file and I'm going to my URL. So just refresh it. Okay, now you can see my image is appeared on this index.html file, but I would like to have this centered on my page. So in that case, go back to your file. So inside this body tag, insert this property align, that is center. This should do the trick. Okay, now in this way on your website, now you have under construction message to indicate your customers or your audience. Now still the site is under construction. Okay, that's it.